Hey there, lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are you doing? This is part 2 of the Diva inspired wall hang, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the last one. If you haven't seen it, I have the link right here, or you can look in the description box below. If you're new here, subscribe and join the creative family. I love you guys, and let's get into it. We're going to make the hair from the directory leaves. It should look something like this, where you twist the middle of the paper and it should eventually look like a bow, and then you attach it to the canvas with glue. How cute is that? So let's get into it. But first, we stopped off in my previous video at mixing paint to skin brown color and painting right after tracing onto the canvas. So now we are going to decorate. And if you haven't seen the video, the link is right above. Let's get back to the video. Amount I have done, just showing you guys. Since I had to take the fabric off the canvas, there are places where the fabric gave some trouble. I had to use my box cutter and also the heat from the heat gun or the glue gun to melt the glue. You can see me trying to figure out what to do right there. Eventually, yes, it came off. I had to do some painting over it, but eventually it was able to be masked off by the fabric. So let's get back to it. Well, how pretty is that? I enjoyed doing this DIY. Right here I'm just doing some, final touches. Any paint that was spilled over from the brown, any sprinkles that I need to take off, and just clearing it up really nicely. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you can give me a comment, if you like yes or no, and if you want me to do something like this again, it would be great. If you can give me a thumbs up, I will be putting out more videos, and subscribe to my channel and join the creative family. And as always, bless.